Good morning, guys. Thank you for joining me for another hair tutorial. I'm kind of debating what to do today. I kind of want to make it simple because I have a few errands to do and I will be hanging out with the kids. I'll be dragging them along with me. So, I just kind of want something simple out of the way. And my hair isn't the best today because I didn't put conditioner in it. I had to do a really quick wash last night and I was just so exhausted. We went to Ocean City yesterday, our first family vacation, and it was a lot of fun, you guys. So, because I didn't put any conditioner, I'm going to use this hair honey, and I really like it for my daughter's hair. For my 2-year-old's hair, it really just softens it up when I put it in. I'm just going to put in like this much, just a little drop. Just a little drop. Hair's so frizzy, so it definitely needs it. Okay. Just gonna use this. Okay. I love low ponytails. I know, call me old-fashioned, but I absolutely love it. Okay, you see how thin this looks, right? Like really thin, you guys. So I'm gonna be trying this out. Just made up my mind. I got this from the dollar store months ago, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna use it. So it's a little eyeshadow. Is it eyeshadow? It's some sort of eye makeup, but it was $1, so I was like, hey, I'll try it, and it has all these colors. And I was looking for something that was matte black, like dark black, with no shine on it, and it has one that's just dark enough. So I've never done this before, so I'm kind of curious to see how it looks. Ooh. Oh, let me put some gel so my hair would just lay flat. Just a little bit, right? Now that, yes. Because when I have like frizzy hair and I'm trying to put anything like this in my hair, the frizz would be sticking up, and I don't know, it just ruins the whole look. Okay, let's see if this kind of works, you guys. I think that looks much better. That looks significantly darker. Yeah. I really don't like the brush. Like, I think that if you get something just a tad bit better, but yeah. Okay. We are going places. kind of a little bit harder. Yeah, the brush is kind of, see, look, the brush is kind of like falling apart already. Like it's already like falling apart. I'll just use the other side. Um, but ooh, okay, let me just do like this. I think that looks a whole lot better. Yeah, I think that looks a whole lot better. So I'm going to take my brush and then just kind of pull it. Yeah, just to kind of like pull that color to make it look like it just like blended in with the hair root. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. I think this looks really good. I mean, it's, you still have like a line, which I really like. Um, you could like keep going, but honestly, I kind of feel comfortable with it just like this. I kind of feel comfortable with it. You could add more. You can make your line, your part line, a little smaller, but you could see where my hair is. It's like completely covered up. So like, yeah, I'm good because like I'm usually like this far away from people. So yeah, it looks really good in my opinion. I like it. Okay. All right. Now, should I do a braid or like a fishtail? Kind of debating what to do. I'm still just putting this in my hair. Kind of see like how it takes that frizziness out and adds a little bit of shine. I haven't done a fish braid in years. I don't even know if I know how to do it. Okay, so I know it's like you take two, oh, I haven't done this in such a long time. Okay, and then you grab a little bit on one side, you put it on the other, grab a little bit on this side, and you put it, oh, this is gonna take too long. I'm just gonna do a braid. I'll save that for another video. I'm like, dude, I'm at 8 minutes. I'm good. I only got like 10 minutes to do my hair. Okay. And I'm very content with a simple braid. Yeah, we went to Ocean City, Maryland yesterday as a family, and when I got home, I was just exhausted, and I had to just not wash my hair, but my girl's hair, and we were all so tired. So I just shampooed our hair just to get the stand out of it, and yeah, that was it. The Ferris wheel, though, the Ferris wheel, I am just so upset about. It's $8, almost $8 for one person to go on the Ferris wheel. So I actually did the math. I think it was like $37 for all four of us to go in the Ferris wheel. And now we were just like, No, 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 no. I mentioned before that I'm not quite working right now, which is why you see me on YouTube just hanging out with you guys. I'm in this weird phase where I'm trying to get licensed and just go into a totally different field. I was in the architectural field for 10 years and I really thought that I would be like an architect by now. But here I am, completely jumping ship, as they say, and not just jumping ship. I think I'm probably like jumping islands because I'm like leaving the field altogether. So, yeah. All right. Do you know what these are called? I don't know what they're called, and I don't even have the packaging, but they're for braids, and you just kind of like open it up like so, and you like put it in your hair. I got this from my daughter because she she has little braids. So I'm just gonna put one right there and just just wrap it around a few spots, right? This is supposed to be like one corn braid for like a person, but I could get away with it just wrapping around my hair like one time. Okay. So it's kind of not big enough to wrap it around here, so I'm just going to take another one and wrap it around the back. You feel me? There we go. So I got that. And debating, yes, should do it. Kind of works with the gold theme. So I got this at Claire's, and it had like feathers, real feathers attached to it, and eventually the feathers got really like fuzzy and just old. So I just took it out, and this is just what I'm left with. So I'm just gonna stick it in. And there you go. This is my look for today. So back. And yeah, I am gonna put, I think I'm gonna put gel on the bottom. You see how frizzy it is? Just put some gel just to kind of keep it together. Yeah, so this is the look. And I rant a lot. I know. The Ferris wheel, $8. I was really, really bummed about that. I was not spending $37 on a Ferris wheel for 2 minutes of your life. I'm just not doing it. So, yeah. Maybe if I was working. And I hopefully will get through this part. I got some things I got to do today. I got to get my background check, and I have to apply to take my state exam today. So that's what I'm doing today, and I got my little girls with me. So yeah, I hope you have a blessed day, and I really hope you like this tutorial. I hope that this is something that you it's really simple, but I just think it looks so cute, it's just so cute. All right, well, you have a blessed day, and thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much for all your support, your kind words, everything, just everything. I really, honestly, it really is just such an encouragement. And yeah, I don't know what to say, but thank you. Um, have a blessed day, because I could just keep chatting away. Bye.